After age 50, the average person loses up to 2% of their brain volume every year. It's subtle at first. You forget small details, lose focus faster, and sometimes feel like your mental energy fades quicker than it used to. But here's the surprising twist. A supplement once famous in gyms for building muscle might also help recharge the brain. Could creatine, yes, the same one weightlifters use, actually keep your mind sharper as you age? Most people think of creatine as a muscle builder, a powder for athletes and bodybuilders. But few realize it's also a natural compound your body makes every day, and it fuels every cell in your brain. In fact, your brain uses enormous amounts of energy just to think, focus, and process information. And as we grow older, that energy supply becomes less efficient, which is one reason mental fatigue and memory lapses appear more often. This is what makes creatine so interesting. When your brain runs low on energy, creatine steps in to help recycle ATP, the molecule that powers your cells. Think of it as a tiny backup battery for your neurons, helping them fire more efficiently, especially during mentally demanding tasks. Several studies have explored this idea, and the results are quite intriguing. In one experiment, participants who took creatine performed better on memory and reasoning tests, particularly when they were tired or sleep-deprived. Their reaction times were faster, their focus stronger, and for older adults, whose natural creatine levels tend to drop with age, that extra energy boost could make a real difference. However, not every study agrees. Some trials found little or no improvement in long-term memory, suggesting creatine's effects may be limited to short-term thinking or quick information processing. A major review in the Journal of Experimental Gerontology concluded that creatine helps most when your brain is under pressure, during moments that require fast thinking or problem solving. And, interestingly, the benefits appear strongest in vegetarians and older adults, who usually have lower baseline creatine stores. So, what does all this mean? Creatine isn't a miracle pill for brain health, but it does appear to help your neurons work more efficiently, especially when combined with good sleep, hydration, and nutrient-dense foods. In a sense, it gives your brain a small but meaningful spark, helping it stay resilient against the slow drift of cognitive aging. So, does creatine really boost brain power as you get older? The honest answer is yes, modestly. It won't transform your mind overnight, but it may help sustain clarity, focus, and energy as you age, and that's worth considering. Think of it less like a stimulant and more like a quiet ally, a spark plug for your neurons. If you'd like to go deeper into protecting your brain naturally, check out our downloadable guide, Stay Sharp After 60, the 30-day Brain Health Blueprint. It's a step-by-step plan that shows how to nourish your mind through food, movement, and simple daily habits that keep your brain cells thriving. You'll find the link right below this video. Before you go, there's another video showing on your screen right now. Check it out. It reveals the best chair exercises for seniors that strengthen your body alongside your mind. What about you? Have you ever tried creatine for your energy or focus? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to start their own journey toward better brain health.